This is the Boeing 737 MAX 8, the most debated and discussed narrow-body jet airliner in the aviation industry. Unveiled in 2011, it represents the fourth iteration of the acclaimed 737 lineup. Initially, the MAX emerged with considerable anticipation, with Boeing's main goal being the creation of an aircraft that was both more fuel-efficient and capable of longer ranges, aiming to rival the Airbus A320neo series directly. However, the narrative of the MAX 8 shifted dramatically following two catastrophic accidents, both of which were attributed to a novel flight control system known as the MCAS. Regrettably, a combination of design flaws, oversight lapses, and communication breakdowns contributed to the malfunctioning of this system, playing a role in the accidents and leading to the worldwide suspension of the 737 MAX fleet. Following its return to service, the 737 MAX has been gradually rebuilding trust among airlines and travelers. Comprehensive modifications to the MCAS, along with enhancements to various other systems, have been implemented to elevate safety protocols. Stay with us till the end of the video, because here is everything you need to know about the Boeing 737 MAX 8. Stepping inside, the plane features a single-aisle configuration with a standard cabin width of 11 feet 7 inches, or 3.53 meters, and a height of approximately 7 feet 1 inch, or 2.16 meters. The relatively narrow width is typical of single-aisle aircraft, but can sometimes lead to a slightly cramped feeling, especially when fully loaded. However, the aircraft compensates with a clean, streamlined design and an optimized layout that aims to maximize comfort and operational efficiency. The MAX 8 typically accommodates between 162 and 210 passengers, depending on the seat configuration chosen by the airline. First-class seats are generally more spacious, with seat pitches varying between 36 to 40 inches, or 90 to 100 centimeters, while the economy class generally has a seat pitch of 30 to 32 inches, or 75 to 80 centimeters. Seat width in economy class averages around 17 inches or 43 centimeters. As is often the case with narrow-body jets, some passengers might find the seat width to be on the tighter side, particularly on long-haul flights. Boeing has introduced the space bins on the MAX series, offering up to 50% more storage space than the traditional pivot bins. These are large enough to fit up to 6 standard-sized carry-on bags, as compared to the traditional 4. The bins open downward and are relatively lower, making it easier for passengers to load their luggage without struggling. Airlines generally have the option to choose from a variety of in-flight entertainment systems for the MAX 8. The quality of the screens, audio, and content library can differ substantially based on the airline's choice. USB ports and power outlets are usually present, allowing passengers to charge their devices. Wi-Fi connectivity, however, depends on the specific services provided by the airline and might incur an additional fee. The MAX 8 often comes equipped with customizable LED lighting that can be adjusted to mimic natural light patterns, thereby reducing jet lag and enhancing the overall travel experience. The engines and the redesigned winglets contribute to noise reduction, although it's still advisable to sit towards the front to avoid the louder noise levels near the engines. Vibration levels are relatively low, thanks in part to the aircraft's updated design features aimed at reducing turbulence impact. Pressurization is electronically controlled, maintaining a cabin altitude of no more than 6,500 feet or 2,000 meters, even when the aircraft is at its cruising altitude, which contributes to a more comfortable passenger experience. The air circulation systems feature HEPA filters that remove bacteria and viruses, providing a cleaner and more hygienic environment. The lavatories are generally compact. In line with the overall dimensions of the aircraft, however, they are designed to be functional, with touchless faucets and auto-flush systems. While they may lack the luxurious touches found on larger wide-body aircraft, they serve their purpose efficiently. Now, let's step into the cockpit. The layout maintains a semblance of its earlier generations to aid in pilot transition, but it incorporates modern digital displays and touch-screen capabilities. The cockpit dimensions offer ample space with a width of about 11 feet or 3.35 meters and a height of 6 feet 3 inches or 1.9 meters. One of the most noticeable advancements is the presence of 4 large 15.1-inch LCD screens that replace the older CRT displays. They can be configured to display split-screen views, offering a more versatile presentation of information such as navigation, system status, and even onboard cameras. The aircraft comes equipped with the Rockwell-Collins avionics system, featuring capabilities such as synthetic vision, which virtually recreates the outside environment on the flight displays, providing a crucial situational awareness tool, especially during poor weather conditions. Additionally, the suite offers real-time weather updates, including predictive wind shear capabilities, which are vital for flight planning and safety. The infamous MCAS is a software feature that has been the subject of much scrutiny. It was designed to automatically adjust the nose angle to prevent stalling, but it was implicated in 2 fatal crashes. After extensive reviews and modifications, the MCAS now relies on multiple angle of attack sensors and offers an override function, increasing its reliability and safety. The autopilot system has been fine-tuned to provide more precise control, particularly useful during complex flight scenarios like steep descents or during reduced vertical separation minimum airspace. The auto throttle is also nuanced enough to manage engine performance efficiently, thereby optimizing fuel consumption. The MAX 8 is fitted with modern communication systems, including VHF radios, satellite links, and advanced AKRs. These systems ensure robust communication capabilities, facilitating real-time data exchange with ground stations and other aircraft. Though optional, many airlines opt for the heads-up display, which projects critical flight information onto a transparent screen situated in front of the pilots. This allows the flight crew to maintain visual contact with the environment outside the aircraft while accessing essential data, significantly improving situational awareness. Pilot comfort is another aspect where the MAX 8 has made improvements. Seats with enhanced lumbar support, strategically placed handrails, and intuitively located controls contribute to a more comfortable and functional workspace. Now let's talk about the engine, performance specifications, and how it flies. The MAX 8 is powered by the CFM International LEAP 1B engine, representing a leap, no pun intended, in technological innovation. The engine is a high-bypass turbofan engine featuring a bypass ratio of approximately 9:1, which contributes to its fuel efficiency and reduced noise profile. The engine has a maximum thrust range between 23,000 and 28,000 pounds, depending on the specific model and customer requirements. It employs a dual annular pre-mixing swirler combustor designed to minimize emissions and incorporates ceramic matrix composites to reduce weight and improve thermal efficiency. The aircraft requires 8,300 feet or 2,500 meters of runway to take off at sea level on a standard day, with a maximum takeoff weight of 182,200 pounds, or 82,600 kilograms, and a maximum payload capacity of 46,000 pounds, or 28,000 kilograms. The engines allow a maximum rate of climb per minute of 3,300 feet, or 1,000 meters, and a maximum cruising altitude of 41,000 feet, or 12,500 meters. The plane has a maximum cruise speed of Mach 0.79 or 453 knots, a maximum range of 3,500 nautical miles, which is 4,000 miles or 6,500 kilometers, and a minimum landing distance of 5,000 feet or 1,500 meters. And finally, the base purchase price for a new Boeing 737 MAX 8 is $120 million before options. Thank you for staying with us till the end. Here are 2 videos you can watch next. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.